If you're searching for Syndie AI and wondering whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about Syndie AI, the best just released AI software that's been making waves. Stick around because by the end of this review, you'll know exactly whether Syndie AI is the tool you need to up your digital marketing game or if you should skip it. First, what is Syndie AI? It's a brand new, powerful software designed to automate a lot of the tasks that consume your time in the digital marketing world. Whether you're managing campaigns, creating content, or optimizing processes, Syndie AI aims to save you hours of work. And right off the bat, if you want to try it out yourself, I've got a link in the description where you can test it completely free. One of the standout features of Syndie AI is its ability to automate content creation. The software uses AI to generate articles, social media posts, and even emails. If you've ever spent hours crafting content from scratch, you'll appreciate how Syndie AI streamlines that process. The tool analyzes trending topics and creates personalized content that's optimized for engagement. Whether you're looking to grow your online presence or just need fresh content for your website, Syndie AI does the heavy lifting. Next, it integrates seamlessly with various platforms. That's a big deal. Syndie AI isn't a tool that works in isolation. It connects with Google, Facebook, Instagram, and even email marketing platforms. This integration means you can automate tasks across multiple channels without having to juggle different tools. For marketers, this is a huge time saver. Another thing to note is the AI-driven analytics. Syndie AI goes beyond simple content generation. It analyzes the performance of your content and provides insights that can help you refine your strategy. Imagine having a personal assistant who not only creates content, but also tells you how well it's performing and how you can improve it. That's what Syndie AI offers. Syndie AI also allows for personalization at scale. This is crucial for businesses that need to deliver targeted messages to different audiences. The software uses customer data to tailor content and marketing efforts, making your campaigns more effective. Whether you're running paid ads or organic campaigns, Syndie AI ensures your content resonates with the right people. It's also worth mentioning the intuitive user interface. Many AI tools can be overwhelming, but Syndie AI simplifies things with its easy-to-navigate dashboard. You don't need to be a tech expert to make the most of it. It's designed for everyone, from small business owners to marketing teams at larger organizations. As for pricing, Syndie AI offers flexibility. It's free to start, and you can upgrade as you scale. Whether you're just getting started with AI or you're an advanced user, there's a plan that fits your needs, and you can try it risk-free using the link in the description. Finally, Syndie AI is constantly evolving. The developers are actively working to improve the tool, and there are regular updates. This means you'll get access to the latest features as they roll out, ensuring you're always ahead of the competition. So, to wrap up, Syndie AI is a game changer for digital marketers, offering automation, content generation, analytics, and seamless integrations all in one platform. If you want to try it out, remember to click the first link in the description. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I've also listed my top recommended AI software options down below for you to check out. Happy marketing!